Also at the White House today, President Trump warned that the national stockpile of protective equipment is nearly depleted. The U.S. Coast Guard is now directing cruise ships with COVID-19 cases to remain at sea indefinitely. And also a sign of the struggle to keep up with the rising number of cases. The city has rented 20 hotels to add 10,000 hospital beds just this month. And as city leaders face the reality of more bad news, they are preparing for battle. CBS 2's Dick Brennan has more.
The city now has an up-close look at the hot spots of the coronavirus. This map from the health department zeroes in on zip codes, every borough feeling the brunt of the disease in spots, with some getting hit harder than others, like sections of Brooklyn and Queens. Mitchell Katz is the CEO of NYC Health and Hospitals.
We know that in Queens, many families, because of poverty, live together in very close quarters, so that while we are practicing as a city social distancing, you may have multiple families living together in a very small apartment.
And because of that, the city should focus on some of the epicenters of the virus, according to Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams.
And if we don't do that, we're going to create this almost divide in this city where affluent people are going to have adequate health care, adequate response, and poorer communities will not. And that is not how we can fight this virus.
Playgrounds have been a relief for cooped-up kids climbing the walls, but the governor decided today to padlock them. Mr. Cuomo has had it up to here with people congregating when they shouldn't be and violating the rules of 6 feet apart.
We're going to close down the city playgrounds and leave the open spaces available. So use the open space in a park, walk around, get some sun, great. No density, no basketball games.
But some city officials say despite all the press conferences and the publicity, some just don't get the message.
The other day, I told a group of young people that were playing basketball in Canarsie, I said, hey guys, you're supposed to have social distance. They said, what the hell is social distance? Everyone doesn't run to the corner and read the New York Times in the morning. We need to communicate with people in the place where they receive communications.
Adams wants the park police better utilized for enforcement. In the meantime, the city says, keep your distance. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.